Hello viewers, I'm Kausalya. Today we are going to solve example 9 in chapter 4 quadratic equations. The problem is find the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. So first write down the given quadratic equation. We have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. So here you see the first term we are having 4x square. So this 4x square can be written as 2x the whole square. Say yes or no? Yes. Therefore, so here in this case, we are going to find the value of b because this is the value of a. Next, we are going to find the value of b. So, in the place of b here we have 3, right? That is a square plus 2ab. So in the place of 2ab here I am having 3x. So what is the value of a here? The value of a is 2x. So just substitute it here. So 2 into 2x into b is equal to 3x. So now x and x get cancelled and finally the value of b is given as 3 by 4. Therefore here we are rewriting this expression as 2x the whole square plus 2ab. So 2 into the value of a is 2x into the value of b is 3 by 4. So 2 into 2x into 3 by 4 plus again b square. The value of b is 3 by 4. Therefore 3 by 4 whole square. Since we are including this term, we are introducing a minus term also so that these two terms will cancel and here we will be getting our original equation back. Therefore, so here it is, we are including plus b square and minus b square and this plus 5 it remains as such which is equal to 0. Now, we can combine these three terms together in the form of a plus b whole square. Therefore, here in the place of a we have 2x and in the place of b we have 3 by 4. So 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square minus this 3 by 4 whole square becomes minus 9 by 16 plus 5 equal to 0. So now we are going to move these two terms to the right hand side or else you can simplify here and then you can make a move. Okay, anything is fine. So when I move these two terms, you see this minus 9 by 16 becomes plus 9 by 16 and this plus 5 becomes minus 5. So again when you simplify, you see 9 minus 80 by 16 and finally we have minus 71 by 16. So when you take square root on both sides, here you will be having 2x plus 3 by 4 which is equal to square root of minus 71 by 16. So here you see we are having a negative sign inside the square root. So what does this mean? This means that this problem has no real roots. Okay, this problem has only imaginary roots. So we can simply write it as the given equation has no real roots. Therefore, we are unable to find the value of the roots. We will proceed with our next problem. So, example 10 in chapter 4 quadratic equations. So, here the problem is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot by using the quadratic formula. So here area is given. The relationship between the length and breadth is given. Finally, we need to calculate the values of length and breadth. So here it is a rectangular plot. So for a rectangular plot, what is the formula for area? It is length into breadth. So here you see the relationship. Length of the plot is 1 more than. What do you mean by 1 more than? It is 1 plus twice its breadth. Okay, 2 times of its breadth. This is the meaning here. Therefore, you see here area is given by, that is length into breadth is equal to 528. Now we are taking the value of breadth as x. Okay, let breadth be, okay, even you can write here, let breadth be x. Therefore, what is the value of L? L is given by 1 plus 2 into breadth. Therefore, 1 plus 2 into x, because the value of breadth is taken as x here. Now, we can substitute these two values in the place of L and B. So, in the place of L, it is 1 plus 2x, and the place of B, it is x. So, x into 1 plus 2x equal to 528. Now, we are going to multiply. So, x into 1, x, plus x into 2x, 2x square is equal to 528. Now, we are going to rearrange this equation, right? So, when you rearrange, I am bringing this number to the left hand side. Therefore, 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. I am rearranging in the form of a perfect quadratic equation. You see, first we have a x square term, then x, and then a constant. So, therefore, here I am going to compare this equation with the standard equation. So, here what is the standard equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. So, what is the value of A? It is 2. The value of B, here there is nothing, so it is 1. And value of C is minus 528. So, in the problem, it is clearly given that find the length and breadth by using the quadratic formula. So, what is the quadratic formula here? So, the quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, here we know the value of a, b and c. So, just substitute them. So, once you substitute, you see here, while simplifying this part, be careful because here we have two minus signs. So, minus into minus become plus. So, 4 into 2 into 528 gives you 4224 divided by 2 into 2, 4. So, here again the final expression is minus 1 plus or minus root of 4225 by 4. So, the square root of 4225 is, it is 65. So, minus 1 plus or minus 65 by 4. So, it's better to remember the square root of some bigger number, so it will be very easy for you. No need to waste time. Or else you have to find the square root by using the normal methods. Right. So, here I believe you people know how to find the square root. So, the value of x is given as minus 1 plus or minus 65 by 4. So, since this is a quadratic equation, we will be having two roots at the end. So, when you split and write this equation, you see this expression here, we will be having the value of x is minus 1 plus 65 by 4. Okay, minus 1 plus 65 by 4 minus 1 minus 65 by 4. So, here it is minus 65 minus 1 minus 65 by 4. So, once you simplify, you see here it is 64 by 4 and here it is minus 66 by 4. So, once you simplify here, we are getting 16 and other answer as minus 33 by 2. So, here anyway, we are going to find the length and breadth of a rectangular plot. So, the value should be always remain positive. Okay, we won't have a negative dimensions. So, whenever the value is expected to find, for example, to find the side of the square, it should be, we will be saying it as 4 centimeter, not as minus 4 centimeter, because the dimensions related to areas or sides, they always remain positive. So, here among these two roots, we are going to select this positive value. So, here x is equal to 16. What is x? X is nothing but the breadth. So, here the value of breadth is 16. What about length? Length is given by 2x plus 1. So, again in the place of x, you can just substitute the value of 16 and finally the value of length is 33 meter. So, here the length of the rectangular plot is 33 meter and the breadth is 16 meter. So, that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.